Is your money safe? Unveiling SoFi's banking status. Ever dreamed of having all your financial needs met in one place? Loans, investing, checking accounts, the whole shebang? Well, that's the promise of fintech companies like SoFi. But here's the question that might be nagging you. If you entrust SoFi with your hard-earned cash, are you putting it in a safe, secure bank? Let's face it, the world of finance can be confusing. Traditional banks seem slow and clunky, while new-age fintechs like SoFi boast sleek apps and a dynamic approach. But is SoFi a real bank or something entirely different? Buckle up, because we're about to untangle this web and shed light on SoFi's true status in the financial landscape. From humble beginnings to fintech giant. SoFi's story starts in 2011, focusing on student loan refinancing. They aim to help graduates ditch those sky-high interest rates by offering better deals. Soon, their services expanded to mortgages, personal loans, and even investing. SoFi carved a niche for itself, becoming a one-stop shop for young, tech-savvy individuals. But here's the catch: SoFi wasn't technically a bank. It functioned more like a financial marketplace, connecting borrowers with lenders. This meant they couldn't offer certain features, like checking accounts or FDIC insurance, which protects your deposits in case of a bank failure. The big shift: SoFi becomes a bank, finally. Fast forward to 2022, and things took a dramatic turn. SoFi acquired a small California bank called Golden Pacific Bancorp. This strategic move was a game-changer. With this acquisition, SoFi finally secured a national bank charter from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC. So, is SoFi a U.S. bank now? A resounding yes. This bank charter is the golden ticket. It allows SoFi to operate as a full-fledged bank, offering all the bells and whistles you'd expect, including FDIC-insured checking and savings accounts. This means your money is insured for up to $250,000 per depositor, providing peace of mind. Traditional banking services, think debit cards, bill pay, and potentially even safe deposit boxes, the whole package. Competitive interest rates. SoFi can now leverage its bank status to potentially offer attractive rates on savings accounts and other products. SoFi, a bank with a fintech twist. While SoFi is now a certified bank, it hasn't forgotten its fintech roots. Their app remains user-friendly, and they continue to offer a wide range of financial products beyond traditional banking. This unique blend positions SoFi as a powerful competitor in the financial arena. The verdict: is SoFi right for you? So, should you jump on the SoFi bandwagon? It depends on your needs. If you crave a modern banking experience with FDIC insurance and a variety of financial tools, SoFi could be a great fit. However, if you value the brick-and-mortar experience of a traditional bank with a vast network of branches, SoFi might not be the best option. Remember, do your research, compare SoFi's offerings with other banks, and choose the one that best aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.